Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm your host, Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. We're coming to you live from the Singapore Fintech Festival, and joining me for this segment, we have Arthur Tricoire. He is the Managing Director, APAC at Quanthouse. We're going to take a look at API data solutions to power fintech applications. Arthur, thanks so much for joining us. And before we get into different ways to power fintech, tell us about Quanthouse Iris.
Thank you for having us. So Quanthouse is a division of IRS, a financial services software and services provider for financial market and wealth management. Quanthouse is the API division, part of the Market Data Solutions Group, and we do provide market data solutions through APIs in order to power automated trading applications.
All right, so what kind of clients do you have?
So we service about 600 financial institutions globally at Quanthouse into two major streams. One is clients involved in automated trading systems and to power algorithmic trading applications. So there will be quantitative hedge funds, there will be proprietary trading firms, as well as execution brokers who run algorithms. And the second stream is any application really that subscribes data feeds in an API form. It can be websites or machine learning models as well as it's expanding. What we've observed is that we are moving from really interconnecting display application front ends to screen to more application to application. And here that feeds the rise of APIs, and Quanthouse is involved in interconnecting various applications with data streams.
All right, now you also work really closely with Nasdaq's Global Information Services team. Tell us all about that.
Yeah, so it's been fascinating. So of course we are providing a local access here. If we think the context of Asia Pacific was to be able to provide the Nasdaq information services with local access point in a single API gateway into the channels. So two main segments when you think about what happened early on was providing exposure to US equities with the Nasdaq Basic offerings, so that we provide an efficient way to provide a full view of US equities with efficient overheads, and to power either online trading platforms. Of course, retail is very strong here in the region and can achieve very large volumes. And also, interestingly, and today in a day like Fintech, looking at how we can power more AI-driven models for signal discovery, trade recommendations, and any kind of automated trading workflows again.
All right, and that always kind of comes back to data and the importance of clean data sets and how you can apply that to research and back testing. Explain to us why it's so important.
Yes, absolutely. So probably as you observe now, machine learning, AI is all around us. We hear the terms, but from the terms to actually harnessing opportunity, there are a lot of nuances. And one, of course, the quality of data is a major aspect that we often take for granted, but in fact it has its challenges. And at Quanthouse, we believe that as well. Given now the rise of computing availability and connectivity, clients are asking to access wider universe of market data, and so they need an efficient way to be able to rely on a trustworthy source in order to get aggregated content through a single API. And that's very important to us, so guarantee content integrity and with high accuracy. Because if you think about front office trading, we talk about market simulation, which means like accuracy in the updates, the causality between those updates, all around simulation, which has a very interesting technology challenge that we believe we address.
Right, and that's really where interconnecting those front ends to powering the applications, that's really where this all ties together.
Yeah, exactly. So where legacy data solutions were well suited for basic charting or displaying market data, the moment you're doing simulations, it's really the fine granular aspect and where really the accuracy of content will directly link to the quality of the results you're getting ultimately.
All right, Arthur, thanks so much for joining us
at
the
Fintech
Fintech Festival.
Thank you for having us.
And thank you for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.